Hello everyone, you're humbly welcome to my channel. Please, to all who have subscribed to this channel, I say thank you to you. And if this is your first time of stopping by, I say thank you and welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the right way to make Northern Ghana TZ, zaafi. You need sour water to make authentic Ghanaian Northern TZ, zaafi. Now let's get right into the video. Let's start by preparing our sour water. In a container, we have some corn flour or TZ flour. We will then add water to the corn flour and then cover and allow to ferment for about 24 hours before using it to prepare the TZ, zaafi. So this was after 18 hours of fermenting the water. We checked and the water was sour enough for us to use to prepare the TZ. So if we had fermented it for more than 18 hours, the foam on top of the water would have been more than what we are seeing. In a pot, we have our sour water. To that, we'll add some water. Cover the pot and allow the water to boil. This is what we are left with after pouring out the sour water. We'll then add corn flour and mix together, and later add the mixture to the boiling water to make porridge. Mix this very well to avoid having lumps in your TZ. Our water is now at a rolling boil, so we'll then add in our mixture and stir very fast to avoid having so many lumps in our porridge. Continue stirring until you have your water and mixture evenly mixed. Our porridge is too thick, so we'll then add in some water to make it a bit light. Continue stirring until you have the water and porridge well mixed. Our porridge is now okay, so we'll then cover the pot and allow the porridge to boil for some few minutes. Whilst our porridge boils, we'll then mix flour and water and set aside. Our porridge is now ready. So we'll now go ahead and fetch some of the porridge and set aside. After fetching some of the porridge, we'll then add the water and flour mixture to the porridge and stir. Traditionally, we would have added the dry TZ flour to the porridge. The problem with this method is that you may end up having a lot of lumps in your TZ if you are not an expert with this method. So to avoid having so many of these lumps, some people prefer to mix the dry TZ flour with water before adding it to the porridge. The reason why Auntie is stirring in like this is to help break some of the lumps that might have formed when she was pouring in the mixture. We noticed the TZ was a little light, so we added the rest of the mixture to make it a bit thick.
Done. The bottom.
After stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, it's now time to add the porridge that we set aside earlier. So we don't want our teaser to be either too thick or too light. So we'll not be adding the rest of the porridge to the teaser. We already have it at the consistency that we want. After pouring in the porridge, stir for about 3 to 5 minutes before serving the teaser. To check if your teaser is well cooked, dip your fingers in water and touch the teaser. And if the teaser does not stick to your fingers, then your teaser is ready or it is well cooked. We checked our teaser and it is ready, so we are now about to serve. What is the next thing to do when food is served? Eating, right? Yes. Kindly get yourself some ayoyo soup, dry okro soup, bitter, or any teaser soup that you prefer, and join me enjoy this authentic Ghanaian northern teaser. Gwele, to zaafi, sagbo. You will not regret this. Join me. I enjoy my teaser a lot with a very nutritious soup called cassava or bitter. I'll leave a link to this soup in the description box. Thank you for watching. Akia Lady Day. Kindly subscribe and leave your comments.